Oh my God, Albie's behind him.
Oh my God, I don't even know what to do.
I'm not casting.
Oh, this is amazing! This is amazing!
Yo, you want to just help me lift this and put it like right on top of that rock or something?
Not right there? Why? Somebody launching?
Oh, just in case, if people launch.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. We're good. Yep. Oh, wow. Look at this. Whoa, what the fuck, Andrew? What, do you just not need that shit?
Oh, I forgot to clip it.
It's good enough for me, dude.
Me too. Oh, man, I'm like over you, but I'm on top of that fish.
I can't go backwards. Here. Oh my.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Oh, good. Just I don't know what to do. Oh yeah. And you're spitting all sorts of shit up.
It looked at the bonito the way it was rolling. I was like, no.
It's your boy. What's up?
Should I just turn the volume up?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Just do that.
I smell like ass.
What are you doing?
Making some shits. So we're setting up right now for some sea bass as we make our way over to the spot where allegedly the albies are. Oh great, I love when you get one of these and the eyelid is not poked out. Yo, welcome to Walmart, guy.
Yeah, what'd you get at Walmart that does not poked out?
Look at this, look at this. Yeah, that's unheard of on this fine facility. Oh good, it's just chipping paint on me now.
Oh, that's good.
Oh good, yeah.
You got a buck?
Dude, he's got like, they're cheap too. They were like $2 or $3 for these guys. Oh, we're in it, dude. I think I'm just gonna say, how bad Joe needs a kayak in every video till he buys one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Joe, you need a kayak. Oh, that looks good. I'd eat that. I'd eat that right now. Where am I going? What'd you say, 80 feet? When we catch fluke. Oh, this is a good one. Yep. See Robin? What is this? What is this? It's a kingfish? Oh my God, I've never caught one of these. These are some sweet looking fish. Try it.
That's a big one.
That's a big one?
That's a big one.
Oh, I'm so sketched out to pick it up too high. I don't want them gone.
Wait, yeah, that's a nice one, dude.
Dude, this is a pretty fish.
They're incredible, aren't they?
Oh my God, I've never even seen one. This is
one of the cooler fish we had.
amazing.
One of the cooler fish we had.
What?
Oh boy.
Oh, today was so worth not going to work.
I got something shitty here. Nothing good.
So he's,
oh my God.
is it another one? Oh. See, you spoke that thing into existence.
Dude,
Well, now you're back in it.
no big deal. Honest? Yeah, it was already worth coming out here.
Yeah.
Those things are so sick. I like gas point and shit. That was a good one.
Oh my God. Yep. Okay. Oh my God, dude. I'm all right, we're moving. Yeah, we're moving. Yep. Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Oh. What do we find, the family? See you later, bro. Oh, your boy's in here too. Hold on. Little guy.
Oh my God. No way. No way. No way.
What do you got?
Sweet fish. Sweet fish. Sweet fish.
Oh man. Oh my God, dude.
Dude.
Multi-species.
Get out of here.
That's so sick.
Out of here, dude. First one in my life.
Yeah? I get it.
Get on your phone and look up legal size limit for weak fish.
All right, hold on. Dude, that's so sick. All right, I'm going back in. After I unwrap my entire body and head. All right, we're gonna collide.
I think it's 16 inches.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Because that's 19. I cannot believe it.
Oh my God. All right, put him in this. Oh, you're ripping it.
Guys. Oh my God.
I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do. Oh my God.
Not cast.
Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing.
Oh, I just pulled it out.
Oh no.
Heads up. I got one. I got one.
I can't.
Bonito.
Oh my God, dude. This is the best fucking fishing day I've ever had in my life.
Oh, it really is Bonito. Oh my God.
Oh, we're doubled up, dude. Oh my God. Oh, he's screaming. He's screaming. 3 species never caught. I love this. I am too. My fucking heart is racing. I'm about to have a heart attack. Oh my God, Andrew. This is amazing. Look at this fish, dude. Look at these fish.
Literal tuna.
Oh my God, finally. Oh. I lost my pliers.
How's this spot, bud?
This is the best spot I've ever fished in my life. This is the best fishing day of my life so far. Oh my God, where are you going? I don't have my other pliers. I lost them. I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking. Oh my God, I am so friggin' pumped. Nope. Stay in. Tuna. Look at this fish. I'm coming. Hold on. Yo, dude. I am so pumped right now.
Yeah, we literally just doubled up.
We doubled up on Bonito. That's 3 fish we've never caught in our lives. I can't go backwards. I can't go back. That was a blow up. That, like, I can't even. Let's recap on that moment, how pumped we were about the weak fish, the kingfish, and then a blow up. They're practically jumping in the kayaks. I'm coming in hot.
Check this out, dude. Yours is like, they feel awesome.
They do.
Literally straight up tuna, dude.
They're so sick.
Literally just
So
look at his
sick.
face, just straight up bluefin. I was like, oh
Hands
my
down, the best day of fishing I've ever had in my life.
Did you hear what I was saying? Like as it happened though, I was like,
amazing.
I was like, yeah, we don't even need to catch bonito now. I caught this thing, I'm souped. And
the
then all of a
weak
sudden,
fish?
like,
Oh
yeah.
my God,
I
yeah.
was like,
Yeah, you're like, we're good. We don't even have to go anywhere. We don't have to go
for Tautog.
Oh my God.
They started exploding.
It's a giant blitz going down right over here. Where'd that school just go? Huh? They were just boiling over here, weren't they? I don't know. There was like a whole big mess on top. Yeah, it looked like a whole lot of bait. Yeah, he's on. Oh, is that it? That's it, that's it. Let's see what we got. Don't do that. This guy's on over here.
Yep, get that footage.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Manny, this isn't a joke. This is a real deal 20-pounder right here, and he's barely hooked. Oh boy. Oh my God. PB striper. Oh my God. Dude. Oh.
I can't believe my camera's dead.
Oh my God, the hook just popped out.
Please.
Dude, that's a solid, like 15-pound fish. Let me measure him. Open this up for me.
Wow, you got more?
Huh?
It's got more length?
Oh, yeah, it does. Plop.
Push down to retract.
That's awesome, man.
Thank you.
What am I pushing here, bro?
Oh my God. Huh? Oh my God, dude.
I just had it was almost 40 pounds.
Holy crap, dude. Oh,
Fuck.
Manny. Oh my
Where are you
God.
at?
PB by far.
What is that?
All of 34 inches. All of 34.
Nice. We're just heading in right now quick. Throw these fish on some ice in the cooler in the car. I just want to say, if you're ever debating on whether or not you should skip a day of work to go fishing, just do it, because no daily paycheck is worth this fishing trip right here. I mean, it'd have to be a pretty friggin' big quadruple digit number for the day. Quadruple? Nah, I'd say 5 digits maybe. No, nope, this is a memory. Nah, it's not worth it. That's it. That's it. Oh, we're gonna die. You're gonna cross the line.
Oh, God.
Oh, you bastard. I was so pumped.